Today, we're teaching Min how to wheelie her Surron. She's been riding hers for over a year now. We've had a couple wheelie lessons in the grass, and I'm so proud of her progress that it's finally time to pull out the big guns.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone.
Before we jump in, I'm giving away my upgraded 72-volt Surron. If you want a chance to win this bike, you can enter in the description below. To take Min's wheelie game to the next level, we're using this wheelie trainer from Proweld Industry. I reached out to them for this video and they were happy to help. So massive shout out to Proweld Industry for supporting this channel and making these awesome wheelie trainers. I got this idea directly from Run Playback. He makes amazing Surron content and recently reviewed a wheelie trainer from Proweld Industry. So massive shout out to Run Playback for inspiring this video. Now the only thing worse than making Min stand here silently is putting her on this without trying it myself first. That's in there. Thanks. It turns, let's go. Okay, I'm all geared up. Everything except for gloves. Here we go, first wheelie test. Whoa, it's turning to the right. Let's fix that. Okay, I lowered one of the sides. Let's see if that makes a difference. Yeah, it definitely wants to go to the right. Wow, that's worse actually. Okay, I played around with it a little bit more. Whoa! It's going so far to the right. Damn, it leans. Whoa, whoa. Turns too much. Let's try this with the giveaway bike. So it's like, no matter how we mount it, the bike wants to go to the right. Good thing we got a third Surron here. Do you mind if we throw your bike on? Yeah? All right, let's give it a try. I'll just back your wheel in right there. Hey, this is a great opportunity for you to learn how to wheelie too. Got Kai's Surron on here. I'm putting both the wheels higher off the ground. That might be part of it. You mind if I give it a run?
No, not at all. Go for it.
All right, thank you. Whoa, it really wants to go to the right.
That seemed even worse.
Yeah. It's turning right left now. I'm gonna try going uphill because maybe this is on a slant. Oh, that's not too bad. Do you want to give it a try before Min? Nice! Nice! That's what it's for. You getting excited?
Yeah. Super fun, man. You gotta get on this.
Saved you from a loop out.
Yeah. Totally did. Totally. That was fucking
good scent. Was that your first time ever trying to wheelie it?
Yeah. Oh, that was so much fun.
Wow.
It gives you the safety to really throw back.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Hey, man, looking badass.
Yeah.
All black.
Get all geared up.
Woo, I didn't want to put another jacket on.
You're gonna warm up real quick.
No.
Boom. Wow, you look badass, man. Come on. Same power as your bike. Take it nice and slow. Our goal with this machine is to figure out where your balance point is. There she goes. How you feeling?
I'm like not used to these.
No, you shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Only wheelie coming up this stretch because it's nice and even, and you'll pop going like 0 miles an hour. Quick tip, when we pop, we want to keep the bars straight. You want both hands to pull on the bars equally, and just give it all the throttle. Let's see it, man. You got this. Watch out, watch out. Yes. No, that was not too high. That was your best one. Is it exhausting?
Yeah, my hands are tired.
How about while she relaxes, you give it a try. Boom. He's still going. I mean, I need you to be performing like that. Come on. What are you doing? You're doing great. Watch out, watch out. Oh.
Falling over.
So here, this is what you're looking like.
I see.
I love how your weight's far back. If you pulled your head back,
Pull the head back.
Everything's coming back. Yes, that's it. That was it, dude.
Thank you so much. I so appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah, of course. Wait, I gotta high five you for that one. Lean back. That's your balance point. You feel it?
Yeah.
So you see if you're going any further back, where's your finger on the brake? No finger on the brake. So going back, I want you to hit the brake. Hit it. Whoa. So that's gonna bring you forward. Then you're gonna hit the throttle. Rah, 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 rah. And then you're gonna hit the brake. Rah. And then you're gonna hit the throttle. Rah, 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 rah. It's gonna bring you up and you hit the brake. Boom. You only need one finger on the brake. Just one finger. So that's where you want to be. This is your goal, and you're just gonna play with the throttle. So you start coming forward a little bit, you hit the throttle, nice. You coming back, you hit the brake, boom, that brings you down. Throttle, rah, 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 rah. Brake, rah. Yes! 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 You hit the... Wait. That was so good. That was... Man, there's so much going on when you get up that high. The fact that you remember to hit the brake. You see how you didn't even touch the back pad, but you were all the way up?
That was the balance point.
Man, come on. Thursday, it's going to be sunny.
I would love to.
Let's come back out. Okay, it's Thursday. The sun's out. We're back for another wheelie sesh. It's been really rainy lately. Her bike is absolutely filthy. I'm just gonna hit it with some of my Charge PEV waterless wash. Let me put you in the balance point one time. Hey, you look good up there, man. Let me see you try to pop going like no speed. That was so good.
I can catch it now.
So that's called chasing it, right? Where you're just using the throttle. Now that you've already been able to do that, it's the first pop that counts. So if you're gonna chase it, at least make sure that first one's really high up.
Yeah.
Make that first one go as high as you can. Good catch. Yeah, the boots come in handy. Oh man. You okay?
Yeah.
Totally fine?
Yeah. You just like this?
You do literally, you just squeeze it like that.
Okay.
When you did that, did you think of the brake at all?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
You see how you got up there on the first pop, and then you don't even need that much throttle to stay. Boom, boom, boom. You got 3 pumps. Come on. That was so good. Do you think we could get like 5 more minutes?
I'm sorry, I can't. My supervisor's here.
Thanks for being so nice about it.
All right, guys.
All right.
Sorry about that.
I mean,
We achieved pretty much what I wanted to achieve today. Nice.